welcome to another Christmas tutorial. I'm excited for this one. So this one was actually inspired by somebody. I do apologise, I have no idea who the makeup artist is, what the promo picture was, but it definitely was like a professional photo shoot type of picture. And the makeup in it just really stood out to me, and I'm kicking myself the fact that I didn't actually save the picture so I could kind of let you know where I kind of got this idea from. But basically it's awesome, and I think this is going to look so cool and kind of nearly editorial, so that's also kind of the vibe we're going for today. But it's going to be a bronzy gold eye and a silver eye, so kind of the best of both worlds, in case any of you are actually looking for like a silver toned sparkly smoky eye, and maybe some of you are wanting like a bronzy gold, antique gold and bronze smoky eye. We're killing two birds with one stone over here. This also was quite tricky to kind of get all my products out, so I have so much makeup in front of me right now to just see what I'm wanting to do and play with. That's also why I have my base done as well, by the way, because it would just be so much quicker, and then I'll do my lips at the end of the video. So I have the Natasha Denona palette. This is the gold one. I had it out with yesterday's tutorial, so I thought it would actually come in handy again, because especially with this shade and the matte shades and tones in this palette as well. So I'm going to be using this one for the gold side, and then for the silver side, the Beauty Bay Smoky palette. And then I have a load of, you know, pigments, cream eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, pressed glitters, everything. So yeah, I actually came across this picture months ago on Instagram, and as soon as I see it, I knew that it was going to be like a Christmas makeup tutorial that I wanted to do, and I'm raging at the fact that I didn't save it, but it's always been in my mind. So I think that's also why I was kind of a wee bit confused on like what products and all to use, because I didn't really have like I didn't have the picture to go off or anything, but just by memory is what I'm having to go off. So right, okay, I think I'm gonna start with, ooh, what side should we do? The silver and gold. I don't really think it matters, does it? I think we'll do gold in this eye, so gold and silver. Okay, we'll start with this. This is the Colourpop Shadow Sticks in the shade, I'll link it below. Okay, I'm starting to panic. Why am I starting to panic? Right, okay. Just applying this all over the lid, taking it right up to the crease. Nearly the upper crease, to be honest. And I think, well, we wing it out a wee bit. Taking a flat packing brush, I'm going to start softening those edges. I don't really want this to be too blended. As I've mentioned there, I'm wanting this to be a wee bit more editorial looking. So honestly, do you know what's really nice about editorial makeup is the fact that it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, it can look like shit and so unblended and harsh lines, and ugh, it can just look very ugh. But you could just be like, it's editorial, you wouldn't understand, it's fashion. Or maybe that's just me saying that, so you just don't judge me for how bad this might look. But you know what, we always have hope, we'll faith. It'll be fine. I'm actually so looking forward to seeing how this turns out though. I think this is going to look so nice. And quite different as well. I've never done a makeup look like this where it's been, you know, two different eyes. And see, before it has time to dry down, I'm going to go over that with the Natasha Denona Gold palette, taking the darkest brown shade. This one here. And everything I done on this eye, I'm now going to do on this eye. So taking another shadow stick from Colourpop, it's in the shade Out at Midnight, and this is also a metallic finish. So again, just popping this all over the lid. And again, just giving this all a wee bit of a blend. I've winged this one out differently than this side. It's editorial. It's supposed to be like that. Now going into the smoky palette, I'm going to take Onyx. And again, just patting that all over the shadow stick. Do keep in mind, guys, that any of my Christmas makeup tutorials I'm going to be uploading, I'm going to be having them all in one place in my playlist. So just in case there's maybe any makeup tutorials or Christmas makeup tutorials you were wanting me to do this year that I maybe didn't do, and I've maybe actually done them in years past. So if you want to go through the Christmas makeup tutorials I've done in years past, they're all going to be in one place for you. Oh, my ring was stuck on myself. They're all going to be in one place for you. Just to kind of get you inspired, or if there's any other ideas that you might get from the other looks that I've done in previous years. As far as I'm aware, these are discontinued, so I do apologise. And they're also by a brand that I don't support anymore, so that's why I'm not even showing you what it is. Perfect. Such a shame. I'm going to try and work quick here because I want to apply this and then go straight ahead on top with a shimmer from the Natasha Denona palette. Just in case any of you are kind of thinking, why am I using a product from a brand that I don't support anymore? So these are obviously products that I've bought and I hate waste. I hate waste and I hate wasting money. So I still use these products from this brand like off camera and even sometimes on camera, but I just won't mention the brand. And do you know what, as I say, I bought them, so I may as well just use them up instead of wasting them, you know. The Natasha Denona palette, and straight away pack that on. I'm sorry I haven't shown you what colour I'm using because I wanted to work really quick here before this dries down. I'm loving how this is looking, and then not taking any more product on the brush. Get at the crease, just doing a couple of pats just to diffuse it a wee bit, and at the outer corner. So it was this colour here. Like this eye here, I don't have a liquid eyeshadow that's silver to maybe apply on this eye, so I think I might actually just go in with the Maybe Mitchell blush in the shade Drip Drip. Ah! I'm going to zoom this in so you can see the goodness of it. So what eye are you preferring so far? The gold? Well, it's more like a bronze, like a bronzy gold. The bronzy gold or the silver? I'm just going to take whatever product is on the brush, on the lid, because that's usually enough. Oh my god. Oh hi, I've missed you. I have not used these in years. Ooh yeah. The glitter gel from Colourpop. Flower Nose eyeliner. Revolution mascara. I also don't think I'm going to do anything on my lower lashes. I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is and just apply maybe a wee bit of mascara. And when my lashes are still getting tacky, I'm going to do my lips. At this point I'm not even going to tell you what I'm doing for my lips. I think it's all new. So I was just downstairs there at my dad's. Am I out? No, I don't really think anybody watches my videos, especially my dad. So I think I'm okay saying this on here. But one of my dad's Christmas presents just arrived and it's so silly. I adopted him a donkey. It's so funny. So basically that's what arrived, the adoption pack, and it had like pictures and information about wee Jimmy the donkey. It's so funny. But basically, my dad's hilarious. Like, he is, I wouldn't say he's obsessed, but he has such a soft spot for donkeys. You know, the way you're sitting, I don't know what the TV adverts are like around anywhere else in the world, but over here in Northern Ireland, UK, I suppose, especially at tea time, definitely at tea time and dinner time, all these adverts come on about charities and donkeys, like donkeys that are being treated badly and oh, adopt a donkey, and he can't watch those adverts. I think it was last Christmas or the year, no, it was last Christmas because we were there. Yes, we were there having dinner last year, so it was last Christmas one of those adverts came on, and I don't know whether it's because he was half cut and hammered, but he literally started crying. And we were all like, what the fuck's going on? And you know, obviously because we know, we were just like, it was because the donkeys on the TV are being badly treated. Like, he just has such a soft spot for animals. But honestly, like last Christmas, he literally, he was sitting greeting over the donkeys on the TV. So basically ever since then it's been really cruel. You know, it's like, oh, don't mention donkeys in front of daddy. He might cry. I'm gonna go quite heavy on, sorry, concentration much, on the lower lash line with the mascara. Just using the tip to coat them. Jesus. My old smoker's lungs. You need to calm down. You can't not agree that the lower lashes just pulled this together. What do you think? I'm kind of thinking, does it need anything else though? I'm honestly liking the way it's looking. So do you know what? This is actually going to, it's not going to be my last tutorial of the year, but it's Thursday today. So I obviously was going to be filming tomorrow a YouTube video, like another Christmas makeup tutorial, and then my plans were to film another and final Christmas makeup look on Sunday, and that will be my Monday upload, the day before Christmas Eve. But tomorrow I'm actually going to go and finish off my Christmas shopping. We need to pick up some things up, and me and Kyle, because it's Kyle's last day tomorrow, we're just gonna have time to do just a lot of things that need done. And then obviously Saturday we're busy as well. We're just, you know what it's like, so busy. So yeah, tomorrow I don't think I'm gonna have, do you know what, I would have time in the morning to film, but I think I'm just gonna chill and get ready and then wait for him to come home half day, I think maybe around 12, and we're just gonna go and get shit done. So that means that on Sunday, I hopefully will be filming my last and final makeup tutorial of the year, and that will be uploaded on Monday. Do keep in mind to go and have a wee nosy at my Christmas makeup tutorials playlist. If there's any other makeup ideas you may be looking or inspiration, or I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial anyway, guys. I actually really do like it. It didn't actually turn out how I envisioned it, if I'm being really honest, but I like it. It's different. It's editorial. But thank you guys so much for watching anyway, and I'll see you, I was gonna say I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you in my next one, next week. Next Monday I'll see you.